Morning, Steve Freed in Chicago with the morning grain comments. Well, it's a new week, and I think overnight, market was a little disappointed in the amount of rain that fell across the Midwest over the weekend, but it also is struggling to move much higher in the beans because of the fact that, number one, the crop may be getting to the point where dryness may not hurt it anymore, and number two, there have been some private estimates out there so far that suggests the crop is not as hurt as maybe as much as what the market would be trading. Beans are up about 8 cents, corn's down a penny, and wheat's down about 4 cents. So kind of the trend of beans higher, corn lower continues overnight. I think for this week, the number one thing will be the USDA crop report on September 12th. The average guess for the corn crop is just slightly below what the USDA said in August, and the bean crop is about 100 million bushels lower. So the question in the beans is it going to get any worse than that? And secondly, is there enough South American production to lower our demand, especially on the export side, to offset the lower crop? Corn yields are continue to be very good as the harvest moves to the north, and I think we'll continue to see a lot of interest in how these corn yields unfold as the harvest moves in. But because harvest is beginning and because it's going to soon be in full swing, it's kind of hard for the corn market to rally. Also, as far as the weather is concerned, it's going to be hot in the next 2 days across the Midwest, and a front moves across, bringing temperatures down to cooler than normal by late week and the weekend. Could be a chance for about 70% coverage of the Midwest to see anywhere from 0.2 to 0.6 of an inch of rain. The question mark, is that going to be enough to help the beans? Outside markets, most of the things like crude and the dollar are a little bit lower. The Shanghai stock index had its biggest one-day rally in 9 months on some little bit better China economic data. And as always, we're going to have to be watching any news that comes out of the U.S. concerning the Syrian situation and how that might impact money flow. So again, beans a little bit better, corn and wheat a little bit lower, all waiting for the USDA's estimate of crop production as of September 1. As always, these are my thoughts, not those of ADM Investor Services, and have a safe and profitable trading day.